Hey, welcome back to Saran Short. I hope you are all doing well. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to draw realistic hair. For this tutorial I'll be using Strathmore bristol paper. Now let's get to the sketching. Sketch out the basic outlines and try to draw thinly and lightly. Next, you need to have graphite powder. I sand on my own graphite powder using graphite stick and sandpaper. Realistic hair can be drawn using different techniques, but today I'll be teaching you how to draw it using graphite powder because it is very simple for beginners. After drawing the outlines, we move forward to step 2. Take a soft brush and pick up the graphite powder through the tip of the bristles, and then gently dab and spread graphite powder to the background of your drawing. Don't apply too much pressure and let the brush do its work. I'm using a makeup brush here as it is very easy to spread graphite powder with it. Slowly cover the whole background covering your drawing. Doing this will give you a good sense of tonal values, which you can see here also. The difference between the drawing on white and toned paper. It will also make your artwork pop. Step 3. Take a flat brush and pick up the graphite the same way you did with the round soft brush. Gently apply the graphite with the flat brush on the paper, creating the face structure. You can brush off the excess graphite with a round brush. If you messed up something, erase it off using an eraser. Graphite powder comes off easily as compared to when shaded with a pencil. Once you're happy with the shape of the face, move towards the hair. With gentle strokes, give the hair the texture you want. Here I wanted the hair to fall straight, so I'm keeping the strokes vertical. For the other part of the head, the hair is creating a good volume, so I'm creating strokes in inverted U shape. Hair can be messy, so you don't have to worry much about if your strokes aren't steady. Basically what we are doing here is giving the hair structure, adding shadows and values. Now with the flat brush I'm blending out the graphite, giving it a smooth texture. If you find this a bit difficult, then try drawing a small section of hair first and not the whole hairstyle at once. Step 4. Now we will be adding dark shadows. To do so, we will be ditching brush and grabbing a paper stump or cotton bud. Then with a little pressure, we will darken the areas around the scalp and darken the shadows. While doing this, don't change the direction of your strokes and follow the same strokes which you made using a flat brush. Step 5. Now grab Tom Mono eraser, it's time to add realism to our drawing. Gently erase graphite powder, creating a hair-like structure. It will add highlights and will give an illusion of real hair. Add few more random strokes to make hair strands. If you don't have the Tom Mono eraser, you can cut a normal eraser, making its edges sharp, and use the edges of the eraser to do the same. This is a slow process, so take your time and enjoy the process. Keep the eraser clean by rubbing it off on a rough paper. Using a HB pencil, draw hair strands. It will give hair a dense appearance. You can also use mechanical pencil. Here I am just revisiting the areas where I need to darken the shadows a bit more. After a few final touch-ups with the 8B pencil, our realistic hair drawing is complete. And don't forget to sign your masterpiece. I hope you liked today's tutorial, and if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you, I'll meet you in the next one.